Be clear about what you want for your life. Disconnect yourself from the money for a second, Just, I want you to imagine, imagine you have all the money in the world, okay? You have billions of dollars in your bank account right now. My question to you is this: what will you be doing, okay? What does your day look like? And if you don't know what your day will look like, then having the money and the things will always be this fantasy, right? Forget about the how-to. I know you've learned this in high school, you learned this in college, that it's all about how to do something. But the question is why? Well, why do you want to do it? And not only why, what does that look like? Write it down. Get a journal. Let's do what I did. I have like 2 journals that are thick of everything that is happening in my life. This is not a surprise for me, because I designed it before it actually took place in the physical world.